What's up, guys? It's your boy Beasto, and today we're making a power brace for the S14. We're gonna do it really fast, all right? So let's do it. First thing we did is trace out a cardboard template of what we're trying to fucking build. Boom. Then we came over here to the wood, or the metal, and we scribed it with the screwdriver. You can't see it, but down the middle. So we're gonna cut that real quick. All right, so for the center part, I found this is just an old piece of suspension from an old car. I'm gonna cut it extremely big on purpose. But I still want to get a rough idea. So I marked it. Now we're gonna cut it and see what happens. All right, so let's cut this thing. All right, so we got our rough cut. I just want to see, did we cut too much? Did we cut just enough? Pretty good, I think. I think we did really good, actually. Yeah, because we just put it right there, why not, right? It's about where I wanted it. Lucky me. Well, that's super sick. I didn't even measure anything, I just marked it with the screwdriver. But I'm stoked on that. We just gotta, now we need to fucking clean everything, tack it up, make sure it fits real nice. I'm probably gonna bend this piece down because it's bent as fuck. And then, yeah, weld that shit up, bro. All right, boys, we gotta head on now because I'll sweat my ass off. But we're cleaning off the paint now. We're gonna try and get some raw metal that we can weld to. All right, we're back. We prepped all the surfaces, cleaned it with acetone or just brake cleaner, anything, to get all the wax and grease off. And I got a little magnet here to hold up my plate. We don't really want to do anything crazy, just want to tack it in place. I gotta get a cutter because it's too long. So let me go grab a cutter. I'll be right back. All right. So we just want to tack it up real good. We're gonna weld it fully outside the car because this is too much effort under here. Okie dokie. We'll just do one more for good measure. Cool. Tacked out. All right. I'm gonna do the other side and then the centerpiece, and we'll drop this out and weld it up on my front porch. Well, that sucked ass, but we got everything tacked in. I just removed this caster arm right here. So we're gonna do that side, remove that caster arm, pull the sway bar, just drop the sway bar down, and then pull the caster brackets off. And then we're gonna go finish welding them on my porch, where we have full voltage, not extension cord bullshit. So yeah, and it's more, you can get to things. It's very difficult under here. But anyway, let's do this. Oh my God, guys. So I ended up not welding it on my porch because it sucked so much. Trying to get the bar to like sit where I needed it to sit, and I was using magnets, all kind of, I had my brother hold it. Oh my God, it was terrible. So I finally got it tacked in, and as soon as I got it out unbolted, this side fell off. And so I just ended up doing all this side, tacking the bottom gusset, or welding the bottom gusset on, and then I just put it all back in the car and tacked it again. So now I'm actually gonna weld this side completely. And look how bad my welds look. Ew, disgusting. So we're gonna booger them up some more and see what we can't do. The ugliest thing I've ever done in my entire life. But it should fucking work. Alright, that's the done product. Bottom bracket welded, centerpiece welded in. Looks like total shit because I don't know how to weld, especially the passenger, the driver's side, this side right here. Holy cow, dude. Somebody come take this welder away from me. Alright, so this is the final product. The welds aren't that great. They'll look better on this one. That one's not too bad. This side's okay, I guess. I don't know. I'm not a welder, dude. But nice little flat black paint on it. So she's ready to go back in the car. I had to wait for it to dry. That's why it's dark out now. But yeah, came out pretty good. I don't know. Super easy, honestly. A little annoying to put this on, but it wasn't that bad. Alright, so we got the power brace done. It's probably not going to go in tonight because I just got to clean up and call it a night. We'll do it early in the morning, and we'll go from there. Tomorrow we're getting in alignment, and a lot more shit it's getting done. So I'm excited. We'll see you tomorrow.